Hi, Namaste. Welcome to day 24 of our exciting AI journey. Today we are going to discuss about name entity recognition. AI understands key entities. So how AI understands, recognizes names, places, and different entities that we are going to learn. So if you have any doubts, please do put in comments, and you can mail us at aicodegyan@gmail.com. Also, if you have missed any of the videos, please do click the link in the description and make sure you watch all the videos. And if you have any doubts, please do mail us. So please watch the video till end so that you don't miss any of the important content. Thank you. Let's start. And today let us talk about name entity recognitions, NER, how AI understanding key entities. So how AI extracts names, dates, and places from text. Let us see. Now, what is name entity recognition? So basically, NER is a natural language processing technique used to identify and classify key elements in text. So suppose we have some tweets or we have some big sentence available in a social media or science news. So we can identify these elements. Suppose we have persons, for example, Elon Musk. We have organizations like OpenAI is an organization. We have locations in India. We have date or time, 10 of April 2025. We have monetary values. We have products as iPhone. So next, we are going to talk about common NER tags in NLP. First is person, so which is meant for people, fictional characters. Second is ORG, companies and or agencies, which is GP, which is used for countries, cities, states. We have date, which is used for dates or periods, which is, we have money, monetary values. We have LOC, locations, mountains, rivers. Now next, let us see how before and after it will look of NER process sentence. So suppose we have the order sentence. Barack Obama was born in Hawaii, served as the 44th president of the United States. NER output. So Barack Obama is recognized as a person, Hawaii is recognized as GP, 44th is recognized as ordinal, and United States is recognized as GP. Now let us do demo of NER using spaCy. Import spaCy first, and next we are going to use spaCy.load English Core Web SM. So this is a model we are going to download. And next, this is example. So we are going to use the text. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs in California on April 1st. So we are going to process this. Doc is equal to NLP of text, and now let us run the loop to print this. So we are going to print end.text. End.label. So basically this is for the organization entity label, and we'll also use the explanation. So for that we'll use spaCy.explain. Now we can use Anaconda terminal for installing spaCy. So we'll install spaCy, and also we'll make sure we can use virtual environment, NLP environment. So we can create. I'll share the commands on in the video description. So for now, let us run this. So let us copy the path of this. Yeah, you can see. So it is recognized Apple as the org, C. as the person, California as GPA, and April 1st, 1976 as date, which is absolute relative dates of periods. So we can see, and there's an expression also for organizations, companies, agencies, institutions, etc., people including fictional. So we can try for more examples as well. If you have any doubt, please do put in comments. I'll be sharing the code in the description. Thank you. Let us talk about NER process. So we have, like we have discussed in the previous videos, so we have tokenization, which is part of preprocessing. We have part of space tagging. So basically, we'll convert the words into tokens from split a sentence into words or tokens, you can say. We have part of speech tagging. Will assign a part of speech as verbs or adjectives to make sure we have proper entity detection. So if this is not done properly, then entity detection won't happen. So when we talk about entity detection, the name entity recognition system identifies potential named entities based on rules, patterns, or machine learning models. So basically, there are three techniques. First is rule based, second is pattern based, or third is machine learning models. So basically, we can have some set of rules. If that rules are not met, then entity detection won't happen itself. So it might be some patterns, or third is machine learning models. Using different machine learning models, we have different training to it. And next is entity classification. Identified entities are classified into predefined categories. And last is entity linking, which is an optional process, which we are going to link this identified entities to entries in a knowledge base database for future training purpose, or this will help to resolve ambiguity and provide more information about the entity. So this is also an important process. So now let us go to applications of NER. So why NER is important? So basically, when we talk about search engines, so it is important to understand the query context. So is the most important, how we are going to understand different words context and different meanings. So basically, we might have Apple as Apple company, or we might have Apple as Apple fruit. So next is basically recruitment, or you can say HR division. So it helps HRs software extract candidate information from their CV. So for resume parsing, you can say. Next is in legal sector, you can say assist legal finance and document classification. Basically, it classifies documents in highly confidential. So based on the data it has, so it would use the NER there. So it has many more applications like this. Next is it powers chatbots to respond intelligently. So basically, NER is very important to make sure it recognizes the named entities to form the prompts, and that's how respond to the queries. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, namaste. So today we have covered our name entity recognition. So how AI understand entities. So before we go further, please do subscribe to our channel AI Code Gyan, so that you don't miss any single day content of a 30-day AI content challenge. And please do hit the like button. And if you have any doubts, please do put in comments. And you can also mail us at aicodegyan@gmail.com. Next, we'll be covering transformers and BERT, how NLP models are evolving. Thank you. Let us keep learning AI together. Bye bye.